Positive People is a framework used at Warrnambool Primary School to promote well-being, inclusivity and positive education. The framework is centred on students, using students' thoughts, feelings and personalities to create core structure of the content covered. The 5 ways to well-being are connect, be active, take notice, keep learning and give. Positive People sessions take place in the form of circle time, group sessions and also homework tasks incorporating the students' loved ones into the program.
So I actually started about 10 years ago, so I've always taught with a holistic approach, and I assumed that was happening in all classrooms, but it wasn't. So it was a matter of finding out how we can develop a program to cover all bases in that area. But also my concerns with suicide rates and also depression rates within our society. It's quite high in Warrnambool, and I wanted to do something about that. And through a personal experience that I had, I wanted to make some sort of change. So that's where Positive People evolved from. So it's been a slow process, so kind of 10 years of playing around and research and experimenting, and then the last 3 years it's been whole school. So the way I've written it is that it's explicitly taught, so an area a week. So there's that whole class session, but also we refer to that over the week, over the year. We have quotes around the school to then remind them and little gentle reminders. But every opportunity we have, we use the teaching of Positive People. So if you're having a bad day, like, could you flip your thinking? What positive talk could you use to help yourself? About showing compassion for other people and empathy if somebody in the class is having a hard time in their world, like what can we do for them? Random acts of kindness, conflict resolution, so how you can resolve a conflict yourselves and have mutual respect to disagree on a topic. So just giving the life skills, taking it home as homework tasks. About week 2 or week 3 of every year we cover diversity and inclusion and the meaning of that. And the diversity could be they're learning at different levels, at different ages, at different cultures, could include disabilities. So we look at the diversity of our class and also that's a representation of society. So we're made up of many different facets of society. And the inclusion part, so I also run our career education, is just acknowledging different cultures and the value of the cultures that have made up Australia. And it's pretty cool to actually be from a different culture at our school. Our racism rates within the schoolyard have also gone down. They're very low now. They weren't high before, but it's almost non-existent.
The Melbourne Declaration states that students must be provided with access to high quality schooling that is free from discrimination based on gender, language, sexual orientation, pregnancy, culture, ethnicity, religion, health or disability, socio-economic background or geographic location. Also having a sense of self-worth, self-awareness and personal identity that enables them to manage their emotional, mental, spiritual and physical well-being.
My favourite part is you can just be yourself for the whole thing. Everyone's treated equally, no matter where you're from or what's been going on. You can just be you and everyone will accept you for who you are.
My favourite part about Positive People is the relaxation. You can just relax, enjoy what you're doing, and just be yourself.
I reckon probably seeing everyone happy around you makes you feel happy.
When you read them, they just change your thinking, change your mood.
Yep.
They're relatable as well, so you can.
If you're like having a bad day,
yeah, you read them, just read them.
Every morning, once the bells ring, we all sit in a circle and we all get asked questions about how we feel. It could be one word to describe how you're feeling now, whether it's happy or sad or other words like that. It's basically sort of like a trust circle. Everyone can trust you and everyone can make you feel better of that. Sometimes we're asked what colour we're feeling, so if it's red, you're a bit angry, black, you're sad, or light blue and stuff like that. That just makes that you're really happy sort of thing, yellow and stuff like that. So, and then yeah, it's just a good way to connect with your students and your teacher, and you can be open about anything in the circle. And then we do the same thing in the afternoon and see if our emotions have changed throughout the day.
Positive People covers the goals stated by the Melbourne Declaration and is implemented in a student-friendly way which gives them the resources to which they are in control of their own emotional state and well-being.